In this video, we're going to go over how you can get more legendary cards in Clash Royale super fast and for free. Before we dive into this, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help out the channel and lets us know that you want more content just like this. But if you want to build the ultimate deck with more legendary cards, here's how you can start stacking them up extremely quickly. First things first, I recommend completing your card mastery challenges. For example, with new legendaries like the Royal Empress, reaching mastery level 2 can actually reward you with 2 legendary copies. To actually view those tasks, go ahead and click on the card that you're looking for, and then click on this little icon next to the type of the troop, and you'll see this right here. In the second tier of tasks, you'll often find legendary and wild cards too. It's definitely worth doing these mastery tasks. I would also recommend checking the daily shop as much as possible. You can buy legendary cards when they show up because they're usually a great deal and save you time grinding. But on top of that, I recommend pushing trophies on ladder. As you climb, you'll actually unlock better chests, and some of them contain legendary or wild legendary cards, especially at the higher ranks like Grand Champion. You could also join clan wars and compete each week. The clan war chest often includes legendary cards, and it's completely free. Don't worry, we still have more tips coming up. You should also participate in special events. Something like global tournaments frequently reward you with legendary chest or wild cards just for hitting milestones. And finally, make sure you're playing enough today to claim your daily rewards. You get 4 lucky drops every single day, and these can contain legendary cards if you get lucky. Even if not, it's still free progress. That's exactly how you can get more legendary cards without breaking the bank. If this video helped you out, make sure to like the video and of course subscribe to the channel with all notifications on for even more Clash Royale tips. Have a great day. Peace.